Okay, I know my carpet needs to be vacuumed before anybody comments. But cat versus zucchini. Is that a good zucchini? So it's the myth is bunked. Cats are not scared of zucchinis or cucumbers. And actually zucchinis are a healthy vegetable for cats. Potassium, magnesium, and manganese. So cats like zucchini. Is that a good zucchini? He's eating healthy. Zucchini with some tuna. I mean, he was chewing on it. Oh, cats. You want some more of your zucchini? Get your zucchini, Kyanite. Was that good zucchini? Yeah. Fat boy? Yeah. Kyanite obsidian? Kyanite. And then Navina? Navina, look. Get your zucchini. You want some more? It's so goofy. He just wants to play with it. Oh, cats. You goofy. Oh, you really eating the carpet? Oh, boredom is not a thing with cats. So, buddy, you feel healthy? Some nice tuna and zucchini. Was that good? A little zucchini. So goofy. What happened? So goofy. Ooh, cat toys. They'll kill you. Yeah, you're going. Zucchini. Okay, he's like, I'm done. Back to the tuna that's almost gone. There's Navina and Her Majesty. Navina? Excuse me, ma'am? Ma'am, hi. You want to say hi to everybody? Hi, pretty. Happy blinks. Good girl touch. She's like, I'm just watching the birds. She lives in this thing. This thing is called a kitty cot, made right here in Seattle, Washington. She lives in it. Shake it down. Shake it. So I got my blankie. I got my spot. I got the birds outside. Yeah, you're spoiled. I get the boo. That's what I call an ear orgasm. She wants me to scratch it. It's like, I'm gonna have an ear orgasm. Scratch, 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 scratch. And then she's gonna shake her head and spit's gonna go flying everywhere. Ooh, there we go. Oh, got me. This is why the window looks like this. Those spots are all from her slobber. Oh, cats. Say, we don't celebrate Thanksgiving. It's our day of mourning, but to everybody else, we hope you're having a good day. Scratch, scratch, scratch. And let it go. Was that good, Navina? Navina Adnali. That's her name, is Navina Adnali. And then His Royal Majesty with the cucumber, kyanite. Kyanite obsidian. That's kyanite obsidian. Hi. What you doing? Want to say something? Kyanite. Speak. You know how to do it. Speak. Swallowing the kyanite. Meow, meow, meow. Now he doesn't want to do it. He knows what it means. Kyanite, speak. Say something to everybody. They want you to say something. Can you? Oh, okay. Headbutts up to the camera. Fat boy, say something. You gonna say something? No. He's like, I'm just gonna purr. You're just gonna purr. Purr, purr, purr. Hey, gentle, 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 good boy. We're starting to learn that because when I touch his sides and stuff, he wants to bite. But I'm learning how to teach him to be gentle, gentle, good boy. Good, gentle, thank you. See, I can try to, gentle, gentle, good boy. Yeah, you're all wired up because you had the tuna and the zucchini. There it is. Yeah, that zucchini. Okay. And there's the cucumber. See, cats are not scared of the cucumber. That over there is the cucumber. He's like, the zucchini's better. So if your cat likes to chew on stuff, give him a zucchini. It's healthy and it's safe. Look at that. Zucchini is usually added to like all the really fancy cat foods that usually cost about almost $2 for a little can. Screw that. One zucchini is like what? $1. So much cheaper and it's fresh. No preservatives. Get that zucchini, Kyanite. Get it. Naturally boosted. Lick that bowl clean. He had about a whole can of tuna. He had 4.5 ounces. Gone. Kyanite, sit. Good sit. Good boy. Touch. Yay, good boy. That was a good one. All right. Vina, want to say goodbye to everybody? Say bye, people. Goodbye. Goodbye. Shake it. Shake it down. Shake it, shake it, shake it. So just 2 cats and a woman. Speak. Yeah, we got to vacuum the floors. You killed the mouse toy. Bad boy. Kitty cat. So this is a random cat video, huh? A random cat video. Random cat video. My hand's all in the way. Okay, move my hand. Alright. Say goodbye, world. Goodbye. Lana. Kyanite. Oh, you goof. Is that a good one? Oh, there's her Royal Majesty. You want the rest of your fish? Rena? Yeah, go here. Got him with the blankie. The rest of your tuna, madam. We'll let Navina eat. It's a kitty. Bad boy. Yeah, you ate it all, huh? Are you fat and happy? Kyanite. Hi, Kyanite. Coming in for the close-up. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Kill it. Okay. Okay.